Hey everyone, Lauren here. Women around the world usually spend about $426 billion on beauty products every year. Whether you're trying to keep your hair healthy, keep your skin looking young, keep your nails looking fabulous, you can do this all for $1. That's right, $1. Baking soda is where it's at. I have a bunch of ways to use baking soda and you won't have to go to the store every other day to get beauty stuff. Tip number 1, healthy hair. Rather than going to the store to buy a bunch of hair care products, you can get 1 bottle of natural shampoo. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking powder in your usual handful of shampoo to remove dandruff or buildup. Or you could sprinkle some on your head and massage it in like a dry shampoo. Tip number 2, polished jewelry. This is a pretty amazing life hack. Any woman knows that jewelry can fade or get discolored. All you need is a piece of aluminum foil, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of boiling water, and 1/2 cup of vinegar. Place the foil on the bottom of the bowl and pour the rest of the ingredients in. Mix the solution and let your silver sit in there for about 5 minutes. Remove it and dry it off with a soft cloth. Tip number 3, great for exfoliating. If you need to exfoliate dry skin, look no further than baking soda. Mix 3 parts of baking soda with 1 part of water and massage it on dry or rough areas, like your elbows, your hands, your feet, or even your knees. Do not put this on cracked heels because it could be too strong in those sensitive cracks. Tip number 4, keep your towels fresh. When you get out of the shower, you don't want the towel you use to smell moldy or gross. Here's a trick to keep those towels smelling fresh and lovely, just like you. Was that too corny? Wash your towels with 1/2 cup of baking soda on the hot water cycle. This makes them fluffy and gets rid of any bad odors. Keep these useful hacks in mind next time you're thinking about getting beauty products. Thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you next time.